Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and what I have for you is a fairly short video compared to some. Towards the end of my normal Giga Semi drone flight, I caught a brand new, redesigned, fresh off of the factory floor Tesla Semi doing a validation run down the Tesla Semi track that we know about. And so for the next several minutes, we're going to watch and observe and maybe point out a few things. But it looks like this track is set up for FSD, for automated driving, because it's got a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit right there in the background. You may have noticed a 60 here, and that's clearly not, it's meant to emulate highway conditions to test the full self-driving capabilities. There it goes to 30 again. So interesting. And then there's little gates there on the side that probably read when the vehicle goes by. This guy, this driver, guy or gal, actually we can see that it is a gentleman driving, and he is making a second lap. He's done a U-turn here, and now he's going to run down the track and do another lap on the test track. They put a chain link fence up between the test track and the rest of the factory. That's interesting. That was a 30-mile-an-hour. I don't think that the vehicle is supposed to speed up to 60, maybe, here shortly. But at least they want to see the FSD acknowledge the signs. That is the runaway ramp that keeps them from going off of that embankment in the unlikely event that it loses brakes and regen. It won't be charged coming out of the factory. They won't be charged more than 40 or 50%, so regen should be active. He pulls a U-turn here. That stop sign also, I don't believe, is a legitimate stop sign for traffic control. I believe it's for testing full self-driving. He doesn't go over to the noise vibration bumps there. I would have loved to see that. But here we have it. They're getting closer to this vehicle. I surmise, I do lose it here towards the end, but I believe, I'm almost certain, I looked over and I saw it go into the factory. And earlier I had seen another semi at the beginning of my drone flight go into the factory. And then I did, for the sake of us, our viewers, and to get some good content, once the battery died on my drone and it returned, notice how he's doing something with the windshield, marking it maybe with chalk, testing the wipers, part of the validation protocol. Okay, well, this is the portion of the programming where I ask you to support the channel. There's a chance that this channel can die without your support, so thank you very much.